The first astonishment of the philosopher, of this person who considers knowledge as a leisure and doesn't expect from it any external utility, concerns natural beings. He immediately wonders about the movement of the stars in comparison with their apparent incorruptibility, and about life, sensation, intellection, and in general about change. He seeks to define their essence and discover their causes. In doing so, he sees his effort hampered by the indeterminacy of the matter that composes natural beings. This indeterminacy seems to oppose exceptions to all the regularities observed. Eventually, he managed to look apart at the quantity of natural beings, to define it and to define its properties while abstracting from the matter in which only it can exist. This abstraction gives occasion to simpler speculative sciences, more satisfactory in that they are more rigorous, freed from the vicissitudes of matter and limiting their interest to form, but up to a certain point disappointing, however, because they focus on fictitious, imagined entities. The simplicity of these sciences and the ease of transmitting them in perfect demonstration has earned them the qualifier of mathematical, from the Greek word mathema, which precisely designates learning. Two main sciences thus address quantity, since it has two faces. One is interested in the magnitude of a continuous entity. The opportunity to take an interest in it was the need to measure the land along the Nile, regularly flooded. So, to the study of the magnitude and its dimensions, length, width, depth, was extended the name of this measure of the earth, geometry, geometreo. The second science is interested in the plurality of beings of the same nature, which makes it possible to count them and obtain their exact number, hence its name of arithmetic, taken from the Greek name of the number, arithmos, itself derived from a theme ari, whose idea is that of something just, exact. Plurality naturally lends itself to more exact knowledge, so that the number is even applied to the measurement of magnitude, feigning the presence of distinct parts in it. Among the first philosophers, some, like Pythagoras, were passionate about the study of number and of its properties. Already intoxicated by the ease of its knowledge, they were tempted to find in number the deep essence of things. This temptation has accompanied the entire history of knowledge and especially haunts experimental science today. Descartes even confused substance and the extension of a magnitude. The practical utility that could be derived from the properties of number and magnitude for the administration of property was quickly grasped, and a wide variety of calculation techniques were developed from them. Here too, as in the study of nature, practical interest has most often dominated, to the point that today mathematics as such, arithmetic or geometry, has practically disappeared. Computational techniques claim to have replaced it, so much that those who now call themselves mathematicians are interested in ever more refined techniques of calculation, not anymore in the nature and properties of numbers and quantities.